Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install latest version of JDK and how we can run first program. So let's start the video. Open your any favorite browser. I am using Chrome browser. You can use anyone. So just type download JDK, right, and press enter. See, it is showing me www.oracle.com, the official website. So click on Java downloads, and here you can see JDK 22, Java 22, Java 21 and Java 70 available now. So if you are using Linux, Mac OS or Windows, so depending upon your operating system, you can download installer, right? So I am having Windows machine, so I will be click on Windows and I am going to install this 64 installer, right? So to download this, first you have to check you have Oracle account or not. So click on view account and click on here, see Oracle account and sign in. You have to sign it. If you don't have Oracle account, so just click on create an account and create an account and again sign in. So first I'm going to sign in because I am having Oracle account. So give username and password, next, and password, right, sign in. Now see Vinay Vishram, right, it's showing me my profile, right? So I'm using Windows, so I am going to this Windows button, right, and I will be installing this installer. So click on this button, second one, right? So it starts downloading my exe file, right? So guys, you can see my exe file download is done, right? So just show in folder and I'm minimize this window and maximize this window. I have downloaded JDK 22. So just double click on that, minimize this window, right? Refresh. Welcome to installation wizard for Java SC development kit, right? So just it's very simple. Next, and finish. Next, next, close. Java development kit successfully installed, right? Close. So first we have to set up our Java path. So just go to C drive, go to program files, and here you can see one folder Java, right? Click on that. See JDK 22, right? Click on that till win and select this location, right? Copy that and go to this PC, click on properties and here you can see advanced system setting and here you can see here environment variable, click on that and just see here path, right? Click on edit button, click on new button and paste that, right? Okay. So move up on top, right? Program files Java JDK 22 pin, right? Click on OK, and here can see new, right? So here I have to give Java underscore home. Again go to C drive, program files, Java folder, JDK 22, and just copy that file. Here we have to only JDK 22, right? I'm not going to bin folder, right? So just copy that and variable value paste here. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, okay, okay. Type search bar, type command prompt, right? And here type Java dash or hyphen version. Click enter. So now it's showing me Java version 22.0.2, right? So latest version of Java is installed in my system. Now I am going to show you how you can write Java program and how you can run using command prompt. So I am going to write my simple Java program in notepad. So just open notepad and here type class A, give and create main method public static void main string args, right? And here just type system dot out dot println and pass the message here. Welcome to creative Java programming. So save the program any of your folder. So I am going to create here in my folder. I have created a Java programs folder. So I am going to select one and see here save h type. Select all files, right? And give file name, class name a dot Java. .java extension is necessary to write. Save the program, right? Open your command prompt. Go to your I have created my Java program folder in my F drive, so I will be moving on my F drive, right? And type dir. So these are the folders I have created in my D drive. So Java programs, in Java programs folder I have saved my program, so I have to move on that. So cd means change directory, cd Java underscore programs dir. See, I have created a.java file, right? So for compilation we write java c and a.java file name, right? So compilation is done, and to run the program we have to only write Java and class name. See, here is printed Welcome to Creative Java Programming. So that's all guys in today's session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.